So here we're going to determine the complement of a set. So keep in mind that the complement of a set is all the elements that are not in that set. So here we have a universal set U. Don't forget that a universal set is a general set that lists all the elements that are under discussion here. And then all the other sets here, set C and set D, these are subsets of the universal set. And you can see for the universal set, it has a listing of these playing cards here. We have the Ace of Hearts, the 10 of Clubs, the 8 of Diamonds, and so forth. So we are going to determine the complement for set C. So I'm going to put down C complement. The complement is the label of the set raised to this C power. And I think the easiest way to do that is I'm just going to cross out everything in the universal set that's in set C here. So we have 5 of Hearts here. I'm just going to cross out the 5 of Hearts here. The Jack of Spades here. We'll cross it out here. 9 of Clubs here. 9 of Clubs here. Ace of Hearts. Here's the Ace of Hearts. And finally the Queen of Hearts, and that's right here. So then everything that's left over is what is the complement. So I'm just going to list it, and I'm not going to draw these little graphics here. I'm just going to list this as the 10 of Clubs. I'm just going to list it as a C because my drawing techniques are not all that good. So we have the 8 of Diamonds. I'm going to list that as 8D. The 2 of Spades. We'll list that as 2S. The 2 of Diamonds. And then finally the 2 of Clubs. So this is the complement of set C. If set C is the 5 of Hearts, Jack of Spades, 9 of Clubs, Ace of Hearts, and Queen of Hearts, then its complement is everything else. And that's this listed here. I'm going to use the same technique for letter B. We have set D, the complement of set D. Again, we take the label of the set, raise it to this C power. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to cross out. Of course, D is a word description. It just says is the set of cards that are clubs. So I'm just going to cross out all the clubs. That's a 10 of Clubs here. And a 9 of Clubs here. And we have finally a 2 of Clubs. So then everything left over is the complement. So I'll put down the Ace of Hearts, 8 of Diamonds, Jack of Spades, 2 of Spades, 5 of Hearts, Queen of Hearts, and finally the 2 of Diamonds. So if set D is a set of cards that are clubs, then its complement is everything that is not clubs. And as you can see here, there are no clubs in here. And that's it.